GPT, LLM, and transformer. Aren't they all the same thing? Almost everyone on the internet uses these words interchangeably. Even AI tutorials get this wrong. But here's the truth. Transformer is the architecture. GPT is one implementation of that architecture. And LLM is the entire category. By the end of this video, you'll never confuse these three terms again. Let's dive in. This diagram explains everything. Think of it like building a car. The transformer is the engine design. Using that design, OpenAI built the GPT family. But GPT isn't the only one. There are many large language models. That's where LLM comes in. LLM simply means large language model. It's the umbrella category that contains GPT and many other models. So remember this simple chain: transformer, GPT, and LLM, architecture, model family, and entire category. Now let's understand the most important invention here, the transformer. Before transformers existed, AI processed words one word after another. Slow, hard to scale, poor at remembering long context. Then, in 2017, Google researchers introduced transformers. Instead of reading words sequentially, every word can look at every other word simultaneously. This mechanism is called self-attention. Notice these animated connections. Every token is asking questions like, which other words are important for understanding me? That's why transformers understand context so much better than older models. This single innovation completely changed AI. In fact, almost every modern language model today is built on transformer ideas. Now, where does GPT fit into this? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Notice the last word, transformer. That means GPT is built using the transformer architecture. But GPT makes one important decision choice. It only predicts the next token. Look at the sentence. The cat sat on the. GPT doesn't know the future. It only looks at previous words and predicts the most likely next one. Maybe, Matt. Then it predicts the next word, and the next, and the next, one token at a time. That's how ChatGPT writes paragraphs, answers questions, and even generates code. Now let's zoom out. LLM doesn't refer to a specific architecture. It doesn't refer to GPT. LLM simply means a language model with billions of parameters trained on massive amounts of text. GPT is one LLM, but there are many: Llama, Gamma, Claude, DeepSeek, Qwen, Mistral, and many more. All of them are large language models. Some use decoder-only transformers, some mix encoder and decoder designs, some use mixture of experts. Different engineering choices, same overall category. That's why saying GPT and LLM are the same is technically incorrect. GPT is one member of the LLM family. Let's summarize everything in one picture. At the center is the transformer. It's the architecture. Built using that architecture is GPT, one specific implementation, and surrounding all of them is the world of large language models. Here's the easiest way to remember it forever. Transformer is like the blueprint. GPT is one building made from that blueprint. LLM is the entire city filled with many different buildings. One architecture, one model family, one entire category. And that's the difference between transformer, GPT, and LLM. If this finally made these terms click, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI concepts explained visually, and tell me in the comments which AI topic should I explain next. I'll see you in the next one.